Hey guys, last time on the channel I showed you this garage and all the work that went into that. Well, now I'm going to show you what's going inside of it, or at least start to show you what's going inside of it. Today I'm going to share with you my daily driver, the bike that's going to get the most attention on this channel, and I'm really excited to show you this bike. So without further ado, we're just going to get straight into the video, and here she is. I'm super excited to introduce to you my 2023 Indian Pursuit. This is going to be my daily driver for the foreseeable future. Now, I will have a full review coming out for this bike, but today I want to address something that drives me nuts about every stock bike that I've ever had, and that is the stock pipes. Now, I've already put some Reinhardt slip-ons on this bike, and they sound really good, but they're not really very loud, and I like loud pipes. So I'm going to take care of that today by introducing this Tab Performance 2-into-1-into-2 mid-pipe. And this should clear up all of those sound issues that I'm having. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the mid-pipe. There's not a whole lot to it. It weighs a lot less than the catalytic converter, which is going to be kind of a beast to get out. But we reuse all the same bolts and all the attachment hardware. So the first thing I need to do is get the bags off of this bike. I got to pull the slip-ons off, all the heat shields off, and then we'll get to dropping the catalytic converter and getting this installed. Okay, so the first step in this is I got to pull the bags off. These are on with the 6mm hex heads. I got to get these side panels off actually first, and these just kind of pull off. They're very easy to get off. And then there are a couple plugs that are one plug on each side that has to come out, and okay, so there's one bag off. Super easy. Oh man. Oh shit, don't break them. Don't strip them. Oh. I put those. Oh man, they make this always look so easy on the videos.
The hardest part of the installation is the damn clips off. Not pinch.
Well, it's in a retainer back here. Alright, there's the next thing. Now that I have the bags off, the next step is to get the slip-ons off and the heat shields off. So I'll speed it up, but that's what we're going to work on next. Broke loose. Alright, I'm going to leave that one in a little bit because I don't have any impact sockets.
How nice would it be to have a lift right now?
Oh, it would be awesome. Would be awesome. Although, I will say, this floor is not bad to lay on compared to concrete. It's cold, and this is not cold. Gotta get this band clamp loosened up. All right, so this is the kind of the pain in the ass part. Because this part, hopefully, it just comes out, but I doubt it will. So, in theory, This is the one that was really hard to get on. I mean, this is more like your move right here.
So how much time should you play with your pipes each time?
I don't know, I really wish I wouldn't have done this before. This would make this twice as easy. Hey. You don't have to take this one off, but you gotta take that one off, I'm pretty sure. So, see what I mean? It's all the way through it. There's no lip for it to come out of.
Gotcha. Success.
All right, this one shouldn't be as bad. I know this pipe came off or went on a lot easier than the other one. That feels way harder.
So,
All right, so there it is. That is what we're replacing. So quite a bit. That doesn't weigh as much as I thought it was going to weigh. And it only weighs about maybe 10 pounds.
really?
Yeah. Maybe not even 10 pounds. This is way lighter, but it's not really dropping that much weight off of it. There we go. Ooh, that hurt. That's definitely some lead in the bloodstream. Okay, so that makes a lot more sense. Now I can line this sucker up exactly where it's supposed to go. Just gonna loosely attach this on both sides. Yeah, that makes perfect sense now. I don't know how tight that needs to be. So we are done putting on the mid-pipe, and now I gotta get these slip-ons back on. When I originally put these slip-ons on, this was a real pain in the butt. I had to basically pound these things on. This side went on a little easier than the other side. We'll see how it goes. I am using some anti-seize this time. So we'll give it a go, and we'll see how it goes. That has got a long ways to go, brother.
You don't have a piece like 1x or something you could hit instead of the...
I probably do, somewhere. It's getting there. It's got ways to go. It has moved a little bit. It's almost to the holes. It's got about, I would say, an inch to go. I'm really scared of this other pipe. I'm not gonna lie.
Came off easier.
That's true. But this one definitely went on. Like, I was able to push this one on. Got maybe an 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch. Do not let me start this bike without alcohol. Oh,
There you go.
I can just brute strength it. It's gonna be worth it. These are never coming off, FYI. That totally worked. It feels solid.
Nice and smooth.
sucker went right on.
Told you.
Well, that's kind of unbelievable. I didn't expect that. Oh, I can't believe we're about to hear this thing. I'm gonna put the bags back on first though. All right, it is done. So this is the first startup. I haven't heard it. Let's see what it sounds like. You gotta hear it back here. You gotta, oh, I got the mic on. You wanna goose it? Yeah. So what did you think? I think it sounds pretty great. I'm really enjoying this bike. When I used to have a Goldwing, which I never really featured on this channel, but when I sold that bike, I almost instantly regretted it because I really like having a touring bike. And this really fills that need. My wife and I are going to make a lot of road trips this year, and that's going to be part of the content that's on the channel. So anyway, I hope you like it. I realize it's not a sport bike. I realize I've kind of built this channel on sport bikes, but it's time for something new for me. I like all kinds of motorcycles. I still have the ZX-10 and it'll be on the channel again. But for now, I'm going to be focused on this cruiser, this touring cruiser, and I hope to bring a lot of content centered around it and some of the other bikes that we have. So, as always, guys, I appreciate any feedback you have or want to give. I try to read all the comments. I know I don't respond to them all, but you know, it is appreciated. So if you like this bike, like what you're seeing on this channel, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us out a lot. And you know, give us a like if you like this one. I'm going to try and make these videos shorter and more to the point. I'm going to try and talk less. So I'm going to end it right here. As always, guys, thanks for watching.